Hi, welcome back, my dear students. There are a couple things that I want to discuss before we move on with the course. The first thing is video quality. I want to make sure that whatever you are watching from my course is crispy, clear, high definition. So we are going to make sure that our high definition feature is turned on. All right, so right here on the bottom on your video player, there is an HD button right there, and I'm going to expand this so you can see it. As you can see right here, if I click on it, watch this text. As you can see right now, it's a little blurry. If I click on it, right now it looks a lot better than what it did before. It makes a world of difference, right? So make sure that your HD feature is turned on. It's between your volume and your time. Maybe later on Udemy will change this, but right now you need to make sure that your HD is turned on. Now, the second thing that I want to discuss is how to download your exercise files. Some of you already know this, but some of you are new to Udemy and do not know this. So right here on the right-hand side, these are your lectures. Here on top, you got 4 tabs right now. The first tab is for your lectures. The second tab is for downloading any material that your instructor wants you to download. Right now, I'm in the instructor mode only. But in your side, you will see a link for you to download your exercise files. So click on that link and download your exercise files right now. Right now, the lecture that you're watching has your exercise files. So go to this tab and download it. Now, I do expect you to follow from scratch on everything I do, but if you do have a problem, the exercise files are going to get you out of that problem. And of course, you can contact me anytime. The third tab is just going to allow you to make a discussion about this specific course, lecture. And on the last one, you can take notes. Now, before you go, there's one last thing that I want you to actually make sure that you have on. We're going to go to somebody else's course, all right? And I need to do this so that way I can show you because it doesn't show on my side since I'm logged into the account. So there is a gear symbol right here, all right? If you click on it, you're going to get this course email settings. You're probably going to have this turned off. Make sure that new lecture emails is turned on because this is going to let you know every time I make a new lecture about the course. And this is super important. Sometimes I make new lectures just to fix other lectures that I make mistakes on, or maybe I want to update my course, or maybe I'm including extra features. So make sure that that's on. Announcements are really good. I send sometimes announcements for coupons or new courses for free. So, you guys can jump into those. So new announcement emails are really important to have on. I suggest keep this on, all of it. Now, another thing that I really ask you to do, and this is just a favor for me. I spend a lot of time on these courses and I love what I do. But you guys make it really awesome when you guys write reviews. It takes only 1 minute to write a review and it makes a world of difference. Because I make this course with a lot of love. And sometimes I like to see my students, sending a good review or letting me know if something is wrong with the course. If you want to write a good review, all you have to do is just right click, put a title here and put the stars. Now, if you do have something negative to say, or for some reason you don't like something about the course, what I ask you to do before you write a review is contact me. Give me the opportunity to fix it if you see something wrong. So I will ask you to go here to the add discussion and type in your problem and let me fix it. Reviews are super important for us instructor. Remember, some of us do this for a living. This is our money for our home, for our family, and this is our life. So reviews either can damage the business or it can damage the instructor. All right. So this is people's lives that you have in your hand when you're writing a review. So I put a lot of love in my courses, a lot of dedication. I love what I do. But if you have anything that you want to recommend, you can always message me. You can add a discussion. But if you have a really good review and that you don't have a problem with the course, write me a review and let me know that I'm doing well. That gives me a lot of motivation. Anyways, thank you so much for really watching this lecture and being in my course. I'm looking forward to helping you finish this course and looking forward to see you in my other courses. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lectures.